Here I have DOOGEE V Max, and today I'm going to show you how to enable talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section and then go to the talkback. Here you can enable talkback, and after that talkback tutorial starts immediately.
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button. New default voice. The default screen reader voice has changed.
Okay.
Tap to view settings. Talkback has been updated. Tap to find out more. Accessibility volume set to 100%.
Okay, now I can finally have a word. So as you can hear, like, the talkback mode works the way that it speaks out loud text on your screen. It's made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, so they can use their device without looking at the screen. And it works the way that you just tap anywhere and this action or this item on the screen gets spoken out loud, just like this. I tap on close.
Close button. Double tap to activate.
And as you can hear, when you're in talkback mode, to confirm any action, you have to double tap. So you just double tap anywhere on the screen.
Close tutorial.
And you confirm it like
button.
this.
Settings. Talkback.
So for example, you want to disable talkback.
Use talkback.
Double tap.
Stop talkback.
Stop.
Stop.
Double tap.
Talkback off.
And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.